Nasabat na Mandaue City PNP ang 3.4 milyon halaga ng hinihinalang shabu mula sa high-value individual na suspect sa isinagawang buy-bust operation sa V. Albano Street, Little Tokyo, Barangay Magikay, Mandaue City. Kinilala ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Wilfredo Alarcon Jr., Chief ng City Intelligence Unit, City Drug Enforcement Unit, Mandaue City Police Office, ang suspect na si alias Junjun, 33 anyos, at residente ng Sitio Kabulihan, Barangay Alang-Alang, Mandaue City. Bandang 10:51 ng gabi nang ikinasa ng pulisya ang naturang buy-bust operation na nagresulta sa pag-aresto ng suspect at pagkasabat ng 8 plastic packs ng hinihinalang shabu na may timbang na 500 gramo at standard drug price 3,400,000 pesos, buy-bust money, sling bag at keypad na cellphone. Nagbigay naman ng mensahe si Police Lieutenant Colonel Mercy D. Villaro, Chief of City Police Strategy Management Unit, PIO of Mandaue City Police Office.
Good day, everyone. In a concerted effort to combat the illegal drug trade, the Mandaue City Police Office successfully conducted a buy-bust operation in the evening of July 2024 at Barangay Magikay, Mandaue City. The City Drug Enforcement Unit of MCPO conducted the operation in coordination with the PDEA 7. Our City Director, Police Colonel Julius Sagandoy, applauded the efforts of those who were involved in the persistent effort and unwavering commitment to eliminate illegal drugs in the community. He also added that this operation stands as a testament to the power of teamwork and the importance of our mission. The courage and professionalism displayed by all personnel involved have not only disrupted the illegal drug trade, but also sent a strong message that we are committed to providing a safer Mandaue City. Thank you.
Kasalukuyang nasa kustodiya ng Police Station 1, Mandaue City Police Office ang suspect at mahaharap sa kasong paglabag sa RA 9165 o Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002. Ang Mandaue City PNP ay patuloy sa pagpapaigting ng kanilang kampanya na labanan ang mga sindikato ng droga sa pamamagitan ng pagpigil sa kanilang mga iligan na aktibidad at pagbuwag sa kanilang mga operasyon. Mula dito sa Central Visayas, ako yung Police News Network Correspondent, Patrolwoman Nikia Caniedo, alagad ng batas, taga-tuguyod ng Balitang Pulis.